You want to get healthy, but you don't know how.
GTs, you gotta eat!
You want to eat better, but you struggle with cooking.
GTs, you gotta eat!
You want to rid your life of jar sauces and processed food.
GTs, you gotta eat!
Do you hate fad diets and you want to find a better way to lose weight?
The answer is GTs, you gotta eat!
Do you want to look $1,000,000?
GTs, you gotta eat!
You want to be a magnet for the opposite sex?
It's GTs, you gotta eat!
You want to bring world peace? Sorry, I got carried away. Do you want to eat healthy, easy and delicious food?
It's GTs, you've gotta eat!
Do you want to have a blast in the kitchen?
It's GTs, you've gotta eat!
Your fabulous friend in the kitchen since 2021, cooking for your good health.